First, open your Chrome browser and search for vidvo.net. 6 best free stock video websites and how to access them. The last one is the most important one, so stay to the end of this video. First, open your Chrome browser and search for vidvo.net like this. So it will bring you to the site. What you have to do when accessing this site is to make use of the key specific words of what you are looking for. Let's say, example, a man running. So you just type on it. You don't need to sign in or log in to this site. A man running. So like this, you can choose to download any of them, but listen carefully. Mind you, anyone having this are pro, so you can't download them unless you pay the site. So the ones you'll be making use of them are these ones that don't have any icon. You understand? So the second free website you can get your stock video is cover.co. .co like this. So it will bring you to this site interface. What you have to do is to make use of the key specific words of what you are looking for. Let's say a man swimming. A man swimming. Example. So as you can see, it has brought us to a different places, different videos of a man swimming. So how you can download them is tap on any of them you like. Let's say love this. You understand? So you will just tap on any of them. Let's say on this particular one now, we love this. Once you tap on it, it will bring you to these points. How to download video from these sites. So how to download them? You quickly tap on this place. Automatically it will download to your gallery. So the third site, this is the most important site, pay attention, is pixelbuy. pixelbuy.com. So most of editors make use of this site. As you can see, it will bring you to this place. What you have to do is tap on it. So the same thing applicable. You will have to make use of key specific words of what you are looking for. Let's say a man eating. So once you search for it, it will bring you different varieties of a man eating. What you have to do, how to download from this site, you tap on the video, it will bring a download icon. You click on it, automatically it will download to your gallery. The fourth site, this is one of the major sites that all top editors uses, so pay attention, is pixels.com. So when you came to this pixels.com, what you have to do is scroll down, search for anything you are looking for. Let's say you are looking for video, home for video. So you just tap on it and search the video you are looking for, making use of the specific keywords like others. Pay attention very well. If you get other sites and you did not get this one, you have missed a lot. So this is youtube.com. You can make use of your app, your YouTube app, and get it done. So what you have to do is to open your YouTube app. When you open it like this, you will search for a specific keywords of what you are looking for. Let's say a man sitting stock video, make sure you include stock video. So these are them. You quickly download any of them. Now the last site, and this is one of the best sites I make use of, and I could recommend you make use of it. So pay attention very well. You open your Chrome browser as user and search for this. So once you search for this, I don't want to mention it. Once you search for it, you will now enter the specific keywords of what you are looking for. Let's say people gathering together, or a gathering, something of this nature. So you can just, as you can see, how to download from this site. You make use of the same method I've showed you. So tap on the video. Before that, if you watch to this extent, share this video to at least 5 editing groups that will need this, and subscribe to this channel. So how to download from this site is tap on the video. So when you tap on the video, you will scroll down and tap on download free HD ready. So once you click on it, automatically it will download to your to your gallery. So if you gain anything from this video, drop your benefit in the comment section. Thanks.